Hi everybody, it's Dr. Cary Yurkiw here. Today we're going over Sacro Iliac stretches, and I'm going to be talking about level 2 stretches. Generally level 1 stretches are when I give the cat and dog simple yoga poses to help stretch the ligaments as I work through realignment and the pain that the patient is experiencing. So generally when people come in, I start doing my treatment for them, and then after a week or two I give them level 1 stretches, cat and dog. Then as the pain diminishes and the range of motion increases, I then give them level 2 stretches. And finally, level 3 is strengthening. So today I'm going to go over level 2, and I'm just going to switch over here to my slide. And so we're talking about hip pain today, and that's more specifically sacroiliac pain. Sometimes patients refer to it as hip pain, but it's really the SI joint, and I'll show you that in a minute, where that's located and the types of stretches we give for that. If you do have hip pain, sacroiliac pain, first consult with your health professional. See a chiropractor who can properly assess this. If you're in the Kelowna area, I am accepting new patients. You can always book an appointment with me by clicking on the link in the show notes or the link in the bio if you're on social media. In conjunction with the chiropractic care, I give stretches and then strengthening, and then consult with the patient on their posture and their lifestyle to support the normal alignment and function of the SI joints. Today specifically, I'm going to go over level 2 stretches. Level 2 stretches are stretches that help the SI joint, but at this point the patient has less pain and more mobility, so they can handle more than just simple stretches in level 1. Once the patient does well in level 2, then I give them level 3 strengthening, and we'll talk about that in another video. So today I'm going to talk about level 2 stretches of the sacroiliac joint, and I'm just going to switch over here to my other slide, and that's going to be right here. And I think it's important that first people understand what the sacroiliac joint is. The sacroiliac joint is the joint between the ilium right here and the sacrum in the middle, or the tailbone. Sometimes people call it the tailbone. That joint, there's one on the right and the left, can be found by finding that dimple or that bone right in the back where the posterior superior iliac spine is. We abbreviate that as PSIS. So right in this PSIS area, this is where the joint line is, and it goes down from there. Right by that area, the sciatic nerve travels out of the sacrum, and the lumbar travels through that area. So the nerves can be affected by misalignments in the SI joint, and typically SI pain is characterized by sharp pain, very localized in that one area with certain types of movements. And when you come into the clinic, we do adjustments, something like this, where the patient's on the side and we push down on the sacroiliac joint right on the side. By doing that adjustment, it helps to realign the sacroiliac joint, and we can do adjustments using the table, drop adjustments, or we can do adjustments using an instrument like an activator. Some of the stretches I like to give for sacroiliac, initially cat and dog type of stretches, but then I like to get into other types of stretches. I really like this happy baby one, number 2 right here. So just holding happy baby with the knees separated, the body goes parallel to the ground and the arms are outstretched. Just hold this for about 3 to 5 seconds. You can then relax or sit up and do that again. I would say do this 5 times. That stretches the sacroiliac joints. So that's really good. I also like this knee to chest right here in number 6, pulling one knee up to the chest and then the other knee, and then both knees up in number 7 up to the chest. That's really good as well. I like rotation, but I'm going to show you that in another slide here. So again, holding the knee up to the chest individually for 3 to 5 seconds and doing that 5 times is really good. Then have your arms outstretched on either side, and then twist the hips with the knees going towards the floor. You don't have to get them all the way there, but just feel that stretch in the opposite SI joint. So on the far side, do the other side, hold for 3 to 5 seconds, feel the opposite side SI stretch. And I would do this for 5 times on each side. And then the other one I wanted to show you is this stretch right here, where basically I call this the Superman, where you're flat against the ground, you push your upper body up and it extends or stretches the SI joints in the opposite direction that we just went over. You can do this for, hold this for 3 to 5 seconds and do this for 5 repetitions daily to start. Again, check with your health professional before you start any new stretches, because it has to be appropriate for your condition. But generally, Sacro Iliac stretches like this in level 2 can be a good add-on to the treatments we're doing in the clinic, as well as the level 1 simple stretches like the cat and the dog that can really start to work the Sacro Iliac joints. If you're interested in coming to the clinic, I am accepting new patients in Kelowna. If you have any questions, you can comment below or DM me. I'd be happy to help you.